Hey everybody, this is Melina. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. I wanted to show you today, go through the whole process of me decorating my December monthly view in my yellow paper house planner, spiral planner. Wanted to go through that process with you and let you see how I do this. December is a little special because I do some extra little things, just some fun stuff in December on my monthly view. I will be using the Cocoa Daisy December kits called Nordic Woods. I'll be using those, and I'll also be using some of the printables from the subscriber printables. I printed them tiny so they'll fit on this layout. You know, the boxes are kind of tiny, so if you print them smaller, they fit really good on that monthly view. I have the Daisy Week sticker kit that I'll be using. The, of course, the die cuts from all of the kits that I get. The, any kind of sticker that I get from any of the kits, I'll be using those. This is the memory keeping sticker kit. I get the Pocket Memories, Pocket Memory Keeping Kit. Be using some of those. Oh, the freebie that was this month. It's all stickers, so I'm sure I will be using that also. Cute, cute. So, anyway, I'm going to speed it up a little bit. Let you see my process, how I get this done. Of course, with those printables, I'll be fussy cutting on those with my Cutter Bee scissors. And if you have any questions, leave me a comment below. I'll be happy to answer anything that I can. If you don't subscribe to my channel, please do so. I would love to have you as a new subscriber, and give me a thumbs up. And I appreciate you watching the video. I appreciate you visiting my channel. And I am so glad that now I have internet service that helps me upload YouTube videos so much faster. I had to take a hiatus from YouTube because I could not get videos to upload because our internet was so super slow. A 20-minute 15-minute video was taking 6 to 8 hours. Now it takes about 25 to 40 minutes. So I am in love. Whatever has happened with our internet, I'm loving it. I'm just happy to be back. Thank you so much. Stick around with me. Watch the process. I'll show you some still photos at the end. And y'all have a great day. And God bless.